welcome back to my channel CAD in CATIA. So in this video we are going to make this part in the CATIA V5. So let's start our drawing. Before we start our drawing, let's discuss some procedure. First we are going to make this cross section area, and after that by the help of shaft command we are going to make this into the 3D. So let's start our drawing. I hope you like this video and watch full video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more drawings and notifications. So first we are going to select visor plane, then sketch, then make center lines, then select one more center line and make this line, and the length of this line is 105 divided by 2. Then the distance between these two lines is distance between these two lines is 164 minus 22. 164 minus 22, 142. Then select a line, and from this point, and the angle between these two lines is 5 degree. 5 degree, and after that make offset of this line, and the distance between these two lines is 15. 15, 15. Then select a line, polyline. From this point select then make a perpendicular line, and after that make this, then this, and escape. The distance of this point to this center line is 100, and the length of this line is 22, and after that expand this line. No, expand this line. Then select a line, and from this point expand this line, and trim these extra parts. Then mirror this part. Select this line, then press Ctrl Z. First of all, select all lines, then mirror command, and the axis is this, and then exit sketch by the help of shaft command. Select OK, then select axis first, horizontal axis, preview. OK, our main body is ready, and after that select a plane and make offset plane to the XY plane, and the distance between these two plane is 110 plus 22 mm. 1110, 110 plus 22, 132. Then select this plane, sketch, select a center point circle, the length of this line is 150, 150, and Length of this line is 150. Then exit sketch, paid command, length 22, and in the reverse direction, preview. Oh, okay. Then again select this plane, sketch. This time make a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 80. 80, and then exit sketch, paid, reverse direction, and in the type up to surface, and the surface is this, preview. Okay. Then we have to make a hole. So for the holes, first make 48 diameter circle. 48 diameter circle. Select a circle from the center line, and the diameter of the circle is 48. 48. Then exit sketch, pocket, type up to next. Then preview. Okay. This is our 48 diameter hole is ready. And after that, again again select this plane, then sketch and circle. This time the diameter of the circle is 55, and pocket this up to 8 mm. 55. Exit sketch, pocket 8 mm. Type in the type dimension. And the depth is 8. Okay. And after that, we have to make this holes. For this hole, the diameter of this hole is 14, 14, and the diameter of this dash circle is 160. So select this plane, sketch, fit in the screen, then select a circle and make it into the dash. Diameter of this dash circle is 160. 160, and then again make a circle and remove this dash and make a circle at a vertical direction. The diameter of this circle is 14. 14. 14 diameter, and 160. Okay. 14. Exit sketch, pocket, preview, dimension up to next, preview. Okay. Then after that, select circular pattern in the instance type 6, and in the parameter complete crown, and the reference element is this plane, and in the object select this hole, preview. Okay. One side hole is ready, and after that we have to make holes in this side. So select this plane and sketch, fit to screen. This time we have to make the holes in the angle of 45 from the vertical axis. So First, we have to make a circle dash, select dash, the center point, and this time the diameter is 160, and the diameter of the hole is 18, 160. Then select one center line and make a line and make the angle between these two both line is 45, 45, and then select a circle. The diameter of the circle is 18, 18. Then exit sketch, pocket, up to next, preview, OK. Then select a circular pattern in the parameter, select complete crown, instance 6, and the object to pattern is this hole, and the reference element, this plane, OK. Our hole is ready, and after that we have to make this hole on this part in this plane. So select this plane and fit to screen, and after that distance between these two both holes is 110, and from this side 20, from this side 20, and the diameter of this hole is 18. So first make a circle, diameter 18, 18. Then select this point, and distance between these two both points is 20, and from this side and the center of the circle is 20, 20, 20. Yes. Then exit sketch. No, 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 no. Do not do do not exit the sketch. Then select a mirror command, mirror this to this, and again select this mirror command, select this point, this circle, then press Ctrl, and then this line, and after that again select a mirror command, and then exit sketch, pocket, up to next, preview. Our hole is ready, and after that we have to make the fillet. So for the fillet, select a fillet command and select this edge, press Ctrl, select this edge, don't select this edge, and select this edge, and radius of this fillet is 20, 20, preview. Oh, these fillets are ready, and after that we have to make fillet in this part. So select a fillet command. After that, this is the radius between this is 5. Press Ctrl, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, preview. Our fillet is ready and our part is ready. So this is how we make this drawing in CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notification. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you.